Today we're going to do a comprehensive walkthrough of the HKMLC 55-inch Smart Whiteboard. This advanced all-in-one interactive display combines a stunning 4K Ultra HD touchscreen with powerful functionality, making it an excellent choice for education and business environments. We have several other videos about this smartboard on the channel, so do make sure to check those out if you're looking for more of an overview, as this video will be a more detailed walkthrough. We will explore most features, settings, and use cases step by step, so you'll know exactly what this smart whiteboard is capable of. This video is sponsored by HKMLC. Let's get started. Let's start with the home screen interface, which is your main hub for navigating the whiteboard's features. As you can see, the layout is clean, organized, and very user-friendly. It displays a grid of core function icons, which you'll use to navigate between Note, File Manager, Screen Share, and Browser. These icons are large and responsive, which makes it easy to interact with them using the touchscreen. The touchscreen is smooth and fluid, and there is no noticeable lag or stutter as you navigate through the options. This contributes to a seamless user experience right from the start. One of the key benefits of this home screen is the customization options. It offers a swipe gesture that brings up additional menus for even more quick access to features like wireless connectivity and file management. You can easily switch between apps, open your preferred settings, and start using the board in no time. The organization here is sleek and efficient. Simply open the sidebar, and these additional options appear for you. You can even rearrange these icons according to your preference, and pin those that you use the most. For instance, if you're a teacher, you might want to use the Notes app to be front and center. If you're using this board in a business environment, you might prioritize file sharing apps or multimedia players. This makes it easy to access your most used apps quickly. Now let's dive into the connectivity options available on the board. The side panel features a wide array of input ports, including multiple HDMI and USB slots. These ports are great for connecting external devices, like a laptop, USB drives, cameras, or other multimedia tools. This makes the board incredibly versatile for both teaching and business presentations. If you need to connect to other devices quickly, these boards make it hassle-free. One of the standout features of this board is its ability to wirelessly connect through screen mirroring. By simply connecting your device via Wi-Fi, you can project whatever is on your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to the display. Whether you're presenting slides, showing videos, or sharing documents, the high-resolution display ensures that everything looks clear and sharp. This is particularly useful in a classroom or business setting where you might not want to deal with cables. The wireless feature streamlines your setup, making presentations much easier and more efficient. Simply bring up your content and it will appear on the board in seconds. Let's take a closer look at one of the most important features, the whiteboard mode, or the so-called Notes app. This mode transformed the board into a digital canvas that's perfect for teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating with others. Once you tap the Notes icon, you're instantly taken to a blank screen. The whiteboard comes with a variety of tools. Pen tool for writing and drawing, highlighter tool to emphasize key points, eraser tool for quick corrections, and shape tool to draw perfect circles, squares, and lines. The pen tool is incredibly responsive, so there's no lag when writing or drawing on the board. Whether you're taking notes, drawing diagrams, or creating complex visual aids, the fluidity of the pen tool is something you'll appreciate, especially when you need to move quickly. What's also great about the pen tool is the customization options. You can adjust the thickness and color of your strokes, allowing for a variety of writing styles. For example, you might use a thicker pen to highlight important points during a meeting, or a thinner pen for more detailed annotations or diagrams. For those who need to create more complex visuals, the Shape tool allows you to draw perfect circles, squares, and straight lines. This is great for creating flowcharts, outlining processes, or building graphs in real time. There's also options to insert a table, mind map, sticky notes, and grid system. There's an option to use partitions, which is great for when several people are using the board at the same time. In short, the Notes app is the main feature of the smartboard and it has all the features you might need and more. One of the most impressive features is its multi-touch capability. The board can recognize several simultaneous touch points, which means multiple people can interact with the board at once. This is perfect for group settings, where several people need to collaborate simultaneously. This functionality encourages creativity, team collaboration, and faster problem solving. It's designed to allow everyone in the group to contribute, which makes it an ideal tool for any shared workspace. For example, here we are both using it at the same time without any issues. It's great for when multiple people need or want to use it at the same time like us, without having to wait for the other one to be done, or for lines to be drawn wrong due to multiple inputs. The board runs on Android, which gives you access to a wide range of apps. Whether you need productivity tools, media apps, or web browsing, everything you need is right here on the board. Let's take a quick look at using apps directly on the board. There's a lot of apps to choose from depending on your needs, and we encourage you to go through them all to see what might help you in your workflow. For example, if you want to play a video with one of the apps, the board's high resolution ensures it looks incredible. The video playback is smooth and the clarity is great. Whether you're shown educational content or business presentations, the display makes everything look professional. One of the great features of the Android OS is the multitasking capabilities. You can easily switch between apps without any lag. Want to go from the Notes app to a web browser to open a file? No problem. You can switch seamlessly between all of your apps, making it easy to juggle multiple tasks during a presentation or a lesson. The settings menu allow you to adjust the board to fit your environment. Easily change the input here from, for example, the Android apps to an HDMI connected device. You can also easily adjust the brightness to accommodate different lighting conditions and turn on eye care mode. Whether you're in a brightly lit classroom or a dimmed conference room, you can ensure that the screen is easy to read no matter the lighting. Of course, there is also an option to change the audio levels so that you can clearly hear what's being said when playing media. In advanced settings, there is also options for you if you want standard, cold, or warm hue to your screen, auto light, and save energy. Here you can also change the settings based on your situation, for example, having certain settings for a meeting and other for the classroom. The HKMLC 55-inch Smart Whiteboard is more than just a display. It's a comprehensive tool that transforms how we collaborate, teach, and present. With its high resolution, multi-touch functionality, and a host of features that makes it easy to customize, it's the perfect tool for both educational and business environments. Thank you for watching this detailed walkthrough. We hope this gives you a better idea of how the Smart Whiteboard works and how you can use it in your daily life. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the smartboard. If you enjoyed this detailed review, give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. And again, thanks to HKMLC for sponsoring this video. See you in the next one. Bye!